make you feel like you're worth something, and they make you wake up every day that you have a purpose in life and that you're not just a prisoner.
Everybody has
Sit. Yes. Good sit. Good boy. Good puppy.
no.
The one man shared with us that he felt broken, and he didn't feel at all like he was worthwhile, and he had tried to commit suicide. And my comment to him was that his dog did not think he was broken.
I had Craig since he was 8 weeks old. Through me building up my confidence and me proving that I can indeed take care of a dog, I felt that my purpose was way more important than just me being a regular average inmate. I was somebody that was respected. I was somebody that was considered to be important.
They make you wake up every day that you have a purpose in life and that you're not just a prisoner, that you're just not here to just do some time. You're here to do something constructive and get back to society.
And when they go down.